Okay guys, I picked up this step drill bits, Harbor Freight. I think they were on sale. I can't remember what I paid, but I'll put the price down in the description with a link where you can get them. Just something I may or may not ever use. I don't know. But, I mean, they were less than 10 bucks, so, you know, good to have just in case you need them. Try to give you a look there. Different sizes. Hopefully you can see that. No, yeah, I think we got the item number on there. Alright, let's see. Of course, they got these stupid things in here. Let's see if we can get this open without... I'm just going to cut this way, because I don't want to deal with them stupid things. Yeah, that'll work. Alright, now we're good. Alright, let's take a look at this one. Probably not going to be able to see anything. I can't find my magnifying glass. Let's see, focus. There we go. Look at that one. And that one. And there we go. Now these are, oh, what did they say? Nitride coating, titanium nitride coating. So it's just a coating. How long they'd actually last, I don't know. Like I said, I'll probably eventually use them for something, but I just figured, you know, sometimes it's nice to have this stuff just in case you need it, which I tend to do. So, you know, someday when I die, my kids will probably inherit a lot of brand new stuff, but whatever. I figure, you know, I'm always doing something, so you never know when you're going to need something. So, but like I said, it was like less than 10 bucks. Can't go wrong. They have a bigger set that I'm going to get, but I'm going to wait for them to go on sale so I can get them a little bit cheaper. But I don't know. We'll find out if I ever use them, how well they work. But like I said, I think it's just nice to have something like that just in case you need it, because you never know. Okay, guys.